No basket, rebound by Mr. Yakapin. Mr. Yakapin, right? Oh, there's a foul. Who's foul, right? First one, Mr. Yakapin. 5 minutes and 36 po. First quarter. Okay. Second drive, basket. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Lakas na yakapin.
Mr. Yakapin, the power moves. 2 points. Yakapin, power move. No basket, but there's a foul. Ayun, nabayagan si Mr. Yakapin. Who's foul? 24, number 24. Second try and jumpers ready. Yun, nothing but the net. Takbong mayaman. Mr. Amara. Up. Hindi no, basket dito ng Mr. Yakapin. Power moves. Mr. Yakapin. 2 points. For 3. No basket, rebound by the power moves. Yakapin.